Welcome to First Quick Tips. Alright, today we're going to be teaching you how to do a really quick mask inside of Photoshop and cutting a person out of their own background. And what we're going to do is take the quick selection tool over here, the shortcut W, and what that'll allow you to do is you can literally just paint through a character or an object on your image and start to make a selection field around them really quickly. Now, I just want to give you guys a heads up and warn you that you will have to clean this up around the edges a little bit later. This is more so about workflow efficiency and speed. And if you accidentally select something that you didn't mean to select, don't panic. You can hold the Option key down on the keyboard and that will allow you to clean up some of those areas on the go. You really just want to be focused on getting this selection done as fast as you possibly can and then cleaning up what you can afterwards. They look about done. That looks pretty good so far. So all we have to do from this point is go over to the layers panel over here and hit the mask button. And now we've cut them out.